Hello and welcome to the 1820 Colonel Benjamin Stephenson house, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken noodle soup from scratch. So in this process it's going to take us all day. First things first, you need to kill a chicken, but thanks to Mr. Dearberg's market down the street, he has already provided us with a dead chicken. Second thing is, you need a reflector oven, which is already clean and ready to go. Take your spit out of your reflector oven, put your first pointy thing into the chicken, and put the spit through the hole in your first pointy thing all the way through so that there's enough space to put your second pointy thing, and put your second pointy thing into the disturbing end of your chicken. It's very important to screw the screws on the pointy thingy so that whenever you start to cook your chicken in your reflector oven, it won't start moving around. Our chicken is all ready to go, so all you have to do is put your reflector oven facing your fire, and it will take 2 to 3 hours to cook depending on the speed of your fire. And we'll rotate our chicken every 15 to 20 minutes with our spit. Now we're going to check the chicken. Ooh, it's looking pretty good. Okay, we are done. The chicken is done cooking, and we took it off the reflector oven, and now we're going to let it cool, and in just a couple of minutes, we're going to take the meat off of the carcass. Our chicken is done, and now we're going to take all the meat off the bone and start making our soup. God, that's good. It's a really great way of how to moisturize your hands too. We have shredded our meat off of the chicken itself, and now we're going to add our noodles, chicken broth, and our chicken all together to make our soup.